All right, guys, we have CPI data report this week, and just quickly wanted to talk about market expectations. So this week we have fresh data on inflation. For those that are not aware, this is an overall inflation report that is going to be released on August 14th, 2024. It's 1 hour before the market opens, so that's at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, or 1 hour before the market opens, wherever it is that you are. So if you're in Arizona, that's at 5:30 a.m. The thing to take into consideration, there's been a big concern right now from the Federal Reserve on how our economy is doing. So I think this week will be a really significant week to really tell us, are markets going to begin to recover after some downturn, or are markets going to continue to sell off? And I think that's one thing to pay very close attention to. And it's actually very easy to see on the 4 hour time frame on QQQ, or you can even look at SPY if you prefer to look at the S&P 500. They're testing a critical range right around that EMA. So it's a strong descending pattern. This week will tell us, okay, our market's going to finally begin to recover back to previous highs, or are we going to get rejected once again, form a lower high, and then go back to making new lows if inflation data actually comes in worse than what is expected. With that being said, well, what is the forecast for this upcoming week? The forecast is 3.1%. So our previous inflation came in at 3%. We expect it to go up by 0.1%. For those that are not aware, you guys can actually find the inflation report when it gets released on bls.gov/CPI. It will be released again on August 14th. I do plan to live stream it for free on our YouTube channel. So again, if you guys have never tuned on in, it's a great time to watch the market react to a very critical inflation report. So make sure you guys subscribe if you guys haven't done so already. But other than that, I mean, there's really not much to say other than, as of right now, we are waiting for markets to decide if we are actually going to get rejected and sell off. In that case, we would go short or go into SQQQ, which would yield about, I want to say, 15 to 20% return from current price points. If we look at current support and previous highs, that's about a 15.6% ROI, or about a 20% ROI if markets go back to previous lows, or if markets actually do begin to recover and show signs of progress on the upside. Then great, because then we have all of big tech as well as TQQQ that offer great ROI potential. TQQQ from current price levels back to previous all-time highs would offer 46%. And the thing that I want to remind you is, again, it doesn't matter if the market sells off or if the markets do begin to recover. Just like you saw, there's always money to be made as long as you focus on that one thing, and that is market direction. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Just wanted to give you guys a quick little update on what to expect this week. And we'll see you on the live trading session tomorrow right at market open. If you want to tune on in, that's that second link in the description down below. Take care, guys.